Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. You lovelies requested even shorter facial massage routine videos, so here it is. Let's begin. First, we're going to prep our skin for your facial gua sha and acupressure massage. We recommend using your choice of facial serum or facial oil on clean skin. Doing this will help your Gua Sha tool glide smoothly on your skin throughout your facial massage. If your skin is on the oily side and your Gua Sha tool glides smoothly on your skin without dragging, then you may try this facial massage with just water if you would like. For me, I am using our all-natural and vegan illuminating facial serum. You can find all of our products at lemorebeauty.com. I'm going to go ahead and get one pump, like so, and mix it with water. My hand is wet with water here, and we're going to mix the two together. And gently press it all into our skin here. On your neck, on your chest, and on your hands, and your nails as well, like this. Now we will begin the facial gua sha and acupressure massage with a clean Gua Sha tool. We're going to go up using one swipe per section, and we're going to come down for the lymphatic drainage here. We'll be going pretty quickly here, so just let's do our best here. We're going to start from the neck area here, placing your tool parallel to 45, glide up towards the edge, wiggle here. We're going to do the side next to it, glide up and wiggle at the edge here. And we're going to do the central area here, so placing the tool like this, we're going to go up and wiggle at the edge here. We'll do the other side now, so placing your tool like so, glide up, the side next to it, and the central area of your neck here, like this, and wiggle. Now we're going to move to the under the chin here. So we're going to place our tool like this, and we're going to glide to the edge, and at the edge wiggle here. We'll do the other side here. So placing your tool like this, and we're going to glide to the edge and wiggle here. And we're going to move to the jawline here. So placing your tool like this, we're going to glide to the edge and wiggle here. We'll do the other side, like this, and at the edge, wiggle here. And now we're going to do the lower cheek area, placing your tool from the center, and up and out, wiggle at the edge here. Do the other side, like this, wiggle at the edge here. And we'll do under the cheek here, so placing your tool from the center, using that groove here, and we're going to wiggle along for acupressure and release. We'll do the other side here, like this, wiggle, wiggle, and release here. And now we'll do the upper cheek here, so placing your tool from the side of your nose, sweep it up and out towards the edge and wiggle here. We'll do the other side like this. Sweep it up and out, wiggle. And now we'll do the eye area here. For this portion, you want to use really light pressure here. And once you get to the temple, you can use a little bit more pressure if you would like. So placing the tool like this, we're going to glide out towards our temples here. And we'll do the upper eye now, placing the tool like this. Sweep it up and out, and a little bit higher than the previous point here. on your temples and apply acupressure. We'll do the other eye now. So the under, right here, and at the edge wiggle here. The upper, like this, and wiggle here. And now we're going to move up here, so placing your tool like so, and we're going to sweep it up towards the hairline and wiggle. We'll do the other side here like this, sweep it up and wiggle like so. The center like this, wiggle, and we're going to sweep like this to the sides here. The other side like this. And now we're going to switch to acupressure here between your brows like this, and just bring awareness to your eye area here, relaxing them and just letting go any tension or stress here. Release. And now we're going to come to the cheek area here. So it's from the side of your nose, we're going to sweep up and out towards the edge, wiggle here. The other side, like this. Sweep it up and out, wiggle. And your lower cheek here, like this, wiggle here. The other side, like this, wiggle here. And now we're gonna put acupressure on our masseter muscle here. So around this area, you can apply medium pressure if it's not too tender or sensitive for you. If it is, then use really light pressure here. You can move side to side like this. Like so. And release. We'll do the other side here. So about in this area right here, we're going to apply acupressure with the pressure that feels right for you. And you can switch like this. And release. And we're going to come back to the jawline here. So like this. And sweep it up and out, wiggle. The other side. Sweep it up and out, wiggle. Under the chin here, like this. Wiggle at the edge. We'll do the other side here. Sweep it up and at the edge, wiggle. And now we're going to sweep it all down towards our heart for the lymphatic drainage here. So just sweep it all down towards your heart here. Like this. Like so. You can do more than one swipe if you would like here. You can wash your Gua Sha tool with warm water and soap for your next facial Gua Sha and acupressure massage. So I'm going to put it aside for now. And we're going to just gently press it all in with our hands here. So all the goodness that we just did here, press it all in. Connecting to your body and your skin here. And that's it. Well, we hope you found this video helpful, that you enjoy this video, and that it's making it easier for you to squeeze in a healing and beautifying self-care, even when you're short on time. May we all remember to breathe, relax, and enjoy. Take care. See you soon, my loves. Bye-bye.